Where we going? Where we going?
Huh?
Where we going?
No.
The barrel race? What are you going to do there? Huh?
Right here.
Huh?
Right here.
You got big mouth. It's cute. Where are we going? It's hot in here. Where'd Daddy go?
Huh?
Where are we going? To the barrel race?
Anyway.
Barrel race? With horses?
Yeah.
And elephants? And giraffes?
Yeah.
No, just horses.
Yeah.
What?
I got zebras. Got zebras.
Zebras?
Zebras.
Who thinks we're going to see zebras?
The puppy. A puppy.
Here's your puppy.
Hot. Hot.
Yeah?